Oh, there's scissors on there.
I don't know where the scissors are. There's so many things on your thing.
I guess it's gonna go like that. They're both facing this way. There's gonna be a bar in the middle. And yeah, we'll drill some holes.
Alright.
This is the LED bar we're gonna use. We'll lift it off and shut it off like a model. We're trying to figure out how to put this thing on there.
Right.
It's about one Martha.
So I'm 5'5", so 5'5" minus this.
So yeah, it's 50 inches. It says so on the box right there, but that's cool. So we got the hardware that came with the LED bar. We're gonna mount it on these brackets right here. Instead of using these brackets that came with it, which are nice, little white brackets. But
so these are the ones that are meant to be mounted?
Yeah, but the thing is, those you have to drill into the roof, and that's a whole ordeal, and I don't want to make holes in my car.
Yeah.
These drill into the side of the door, so if it rains or something, like whatever.
Alright.
Those are the ones that came with
Very
it.
nice braces.
What it looks like for now. Put that guy there. That's kind of how I want it to be. And this guy. Yeah, I feel like that's how it should go, right?
Well, they fit fine like that.
Huh. Yeah, I like that better.
Okay.
Let's see if the sidebar fits. Alright, so first I thought these brackets I bought fit like there. We had to like around there, but it just didn't look right. But I'm guessing they go up here according to the pictures I've seen on YouTube or something. But
Pictures?
not YouTube, pictures I've seen on eBay when I bought them.
The
So.
product photos that came with.
It doesn't make sense though. It wobbles too much, no? It'll wobble regardless, right? So.
Well, that's the point of having all of the screws, to keep it from the wobbling.
So I guess we're gonna screw it right here. We're gonna
So,
have it okay.
hold on, let me check.
Okay.
Okay, so
We're gonna start drilling. This one here is electric. One, two, left. Yes. We do the middle one that's there, so this here is the wiring.
Yes. Besides, I have the place anyway.
Well, it's free. That's what you expect. It's free wiring harness, so do what you pay for. Looks like everything you need is in here. And this goes to the LED bar.
alright.
This goes to the red, and this needs to be grounded too. Let's try it out and see if it turns out.
What we're doing is running them wires.
I'm pretty sure these go to the LED up there, the red and the black.
We don't know. Yeah, there you go. You look outside. I think
I guess the zip ties and zip tie to there. Same thing over here. We're going to put a zip tie there.
To these right here to secure them in place. Shout out to my brother. Hi, Gabriel. It wouldn't be squeezing, would it?
Oh, right there. Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah,
Put the
see.
relay right there, grounder right there. I'm gonna stick the relay in there, so I'm gonna get the screwdriver right now. Pop that
Okay.
out. Put the relay on there. And hopefully nothing blows up.
Right.
So I gotta ground the relay. I decided to put it in here.
Hold up.
It's like a bolt. I'm just taking it out. I'll put this relay, this thingy, in there. Is it snug? Oh, that's pretty good.
Okay. Is it gonna be okay if it's touching everything? Well, it's technically not touching anything.
No, it's not gonna be
'cause
touching anything.
It's covered, yeah.
Oh, and it's also not touching anything.
Yeah.
You see, it's like there's room around it.
Oh, okay. Here. Oh, I see that now.
There's
Yeah.
room all around it right there.
Beautiful.
So it fit perfectly. So now this guy. What we're gonna do is, since they're little loops, we're gonna attach these to the actual battery leads themselves. I'm gonna put them in here. This is the ground, which is the black one.
Oh, I see.
And it's gonna go in there. This is the red one. We're gonna do the same thing. Just so that they're not coming loose or something. Alright, so I think that should fit. Guess we should plug it in over here and try it out. Just to test it out, I'm gonna shove these in here, but and hopefully nothing explodes. Nothing exploded. Let's see if the LEDs work.
Ow!
Yeah.
Blinding the camera.
Is it blind?
Do it again. Ooh, yeah.
We got LED bar.
Hell yeah. All right, let's keep it off. Let's keep it off. Okay, it works. So now we know we can secure everything in place.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna leave these where that is, okay, right? Oops. So run it through there. I guess it fell.
So we got the cable that came with the the lighting thing. We just snipped it. Instant zip tie until I get real ones.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Here's the thing.
I'm gonna need another one. Can you cut me some of your wire? Okay,
Maybe.
I'll just tie it in a minute.
Yeah, we'll fix it with zip ties right now. Make it as pretty as you want. Yeah, cool. And
That doesn't heat up. You already know that doesn't heat up.
we gotta put this in there. Well, I'll start running the wire. If you tie it to that thing, we'll try to kind of barely tie it. I mean, you wrap the other metal around the wire. Yeah, Hopefully it doesn't get stuck on anything. It already got stuck on something.
Oh, I see it. On to you. Okay. There we go. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh.
Oh, darn. Hold on, I can't reach. I'm too small. Ah! Got it.
That's enough. Oh, stop. Can you hold more? Oh, fuck, you took it on me. I told you to stop.
Right.
Plug it into the big wire so it doesn't happen.
Yeah, I'm going to do. And then you can zip it over here. I always want to. I always want to. You don't have to. Yes, I know it's a little bit though.
So does that like seal them?
Yep. There's a little metal ring in here that just kind of pinches the wire.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I think it's pretty safe.
Come on. Okay. Yeah, it's not touching. Stop here. Okay. I can see it here.
Yeah. Alright, cool. So final walk around. Got all that nice and zip tied. And just because I don't know what parts get hot, we have this cable line running through here and back. But we got that going in there because I don't know how hot it gets, so I just put that there.
All right. Ooh, look at them lights. Oh gosh, it's too much. It's the end. Yes, we gotta be courteous. Okay, get ready to be blinded.